విశాఖపట్నం పశ్చిమ నియోజకవర్గం పారిశ్రామిక ప్రాంతంలో ఉన్న జీవీఎంసీ 60వ వార్డు శ్రీహరిపురం జోహార్ నగర్ రోడ్లో ఉన్న స్వామి వివేకానంద స్కూల్లో స్వామి వివేకానంద జయంతి సందర్భంగా మరియు సంక్రాంతి సంబరాలను స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యం ఎంతో ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో తమ ప్రతిభను చూపించారు. ఈ స్కూల్ కరస్పాండెంట్ దాసరి మురళీకృష్ణ మరియు దాసరి రేణు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొని విద్యార్థి దశలో మంచి క్రమశిక్షణ అలవరుచుకోవాలని తెలియజేశారు.
It's a family party. It's a family party. It's a family party.
గణేశ అడిగేస్తా గణేశ
If he was 1863, now how old he must be? Max sir. How old? Now how many years it must be? 165 years. See, 165 years old man. Day we are celebrating. Please listen children. 165 old man day we are celebrating. Simply we don't celebrate somebody's birthday, right? Do we celebrate our birthday in this way? Do we dance? Do somebody dance for our birthdays? No. But we dance or we celebrate for certain people. Why? Why? They have put a mark of them. He did not live for long years. He must have lived only for 30 or 40 decades. But he made a very good impression to the country and we are celebrating it. It is considered as a youth day. Who's called youth? Husta Sai, really mesmerizing, spellbound. I don't know really, how can they perform? Such beautifully she has performed everything. Dancing to the fast beat or something is different. But a classical song to dance with that beautiful mudras and all. She's a very quiet girl in the class. But when she comes to the stage, she rocks the stage. The wonderful performance, Akshita, and all. Yeah, again, my tiny thoughts of LKG and UKG. How beautifully they have shown the Ford festival, Ford Day festival, right? What are they? Bogi? Mukkanu. Somebody was saying in the other way. Whatever it might be, so beautifully all have done. Then all the classes, every class, and first and second standard, I think. One partner was not there, and really I like the teachers' way, so that she's not left, like she's not having a partner. Coming up and sharing a stage with her is a wonderful thing. That thought is also something very good. Teacher coming up and being a partner for that girl. I don't know why that boy is absent. So whatever.